All right, so in our area of Melbourne Beach, one of the organizations that we like to support is the Sea Turtle Preservation. So we have their truck. We're going to do a series of videos on their truck, some different things that may be broken or just need a little bit of attention to keep the Sea Turtle Preservation truck up and running. All right, so here we have a 2006 Chevy Colorado. What we're going to be doing today is it has a broken tailgate handle. So we're going to go ahead and replace this handle. First thing we need to do is get the tailgate open and get the bed liner insert off so we can access the back of the tailgate. We have a couple Phillips head screws holding this on. We'll go ahead and take that off. All right, so here we have our access panel. We'll go ahead and remove it. And this will show us the back side of the latch here. So we have a couple connections we'll get rid of. We'll take these off. Here. All right, and then we have a 10 millimeter bolt on each side. Alright, so now we have our old one out. We'll go ahead and get our new one. We're going to have to transfer a couple of these parts over. Alright, so here we have our new handle supplied by Auto Parts Direct to You. Alright, so we want to make sure that we have the thing looks the same. We got new clips. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the lock. Alright, so now we're ready to install the handle into the tailgate. Put our 10 millimeter bolts back in. Just want to take a peek at the other side, make sure that we're sitting flush and everything. Connect our linkages back up. We'll go ahead and give it a try. All right, so now we'll go ahead and reinstall our bed liner. All right. And there we have our new handle installed in the truck.